Hello, good morning. Today I want to make a video about removing these trees. I got a call from the mayor that they have to be cut or removed because I don't know if you can see it on the camera. The branches are reaching the electricity from the village, so I don't know how much trees there are, but it is a lot. So today I have, we call it in the Czech Republic, what's the name of it? We call it brigade in the Czech Republic. It means you get help from friends or family and they will help you do a job where you need a lot of hands. So I will show you the trees from the other side. So this will be removed all. It will be an empty place soon. I think the brigade has arrived, so let's start. Ahoj, dobrý ráno! So, let's start.
Hello, we are Marion and Vincent. In 2018 we emigrated to the Czech Republic to a small village Nova Olešná. We bought an old farmhouse. The farmhouse is from beginning 1800, so it is a really old house with a lot of work. In the videos you can see how we live in the Czech Republic, how we are renovating the old farmhouse and how we start a business. We want to make a B&B and maybe a camping and do a lot of other nice things. So we hope you enjoy this channel.
removed 23 trees today. It was a big job. It took us 5 hours to remove all the trees, but we did it. The trees are touching the electricity, so it will be dangerous when they grow more and there will be a storm or something. And the other reason is end of April, on 30th of April, we have a witch fire. I told it in another video. It's soon 30 April, so we are burning then all the trees, so it will be a nice fire. Always a big fire. I can look on my computer, maybe I have a small movie, and I will put it here in the top of this video. You can see how big it is. So I think this is for today the video about removing the trees, and next video I don't know what's about, but yeah, we have enough work to do, so there will be a next video. So see you next time. Bye bye.